Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. Now we're on Mercury. You're on a cliff, 30 meters high. Gravity on Mercury is 3.7. You can shoot a cannonball vertically upwards at 26 meters per second. The uh, the second you fire the cannonball, we're going to retract the plank. Okay, so the cannonball will follow this path. Hang on. You're going to shoot the cannonball. It's going to reach its maximum height. You pull the plank away, and then it will hit the ground here. So find the total flight time for this cannonball. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay. So the answer to this is, hang on. Is the first you jump to your velocity time graph, and your velocity time graph for the cannonball will be a straight line like this. Okay. So you're going to shoot the cannonball. It will reach its maximum height here. Let's call this time here T max. Time it takes to get to its maximum height. The velocity at this point would be 0. That's why this is 0 here. So you want to find out the time it takes to get to its maximum height. Work that out first, because that will then give you a sense of what's going on. So here you put 0. You are trying to find out T max here, the time it takes to get to maximum height. So put 0 into this V here. So that this V here is 0 here. And then this whole thing here becomes this, okay, and then basically just follow through, blah blah blah, and T max is 7.3 seconds. Sorry, 7.03 seconds. So here, hang on. So we started here, and then that's the answer for T max. Okay, so now our velocity time graph will look like this. This is 26, the initial speed, and this is where the maximum height is after 7.03 seconds. So the next step is to find out the actual height, because what we're doing is that we are going to find the actual height, the maximum height, and then jump to our free fall, and then we can once we've got this height here. We can work out this height here because we know the height of the cliff. So then we jump to the question of what if the cannonball were to free fall down back to this level here, how long will it take? So when you're here, you would jump to h equals gt squared over 2, and then h would represent this whole height here, and then work out the time it takes for the cannonball to free fall down to here, and then you get this time added to this time. Well, anyway, that's the idea. We still need to work out the maximum height here. We know the time it takes to get to the maximum height, but we don't know the actual maximum height. So now we need to work out the maximum height. So the maximum height is given by, remember, we just worked out the time it takes to get to the maximum height. So we need to work out this area here. That will represent our maximum height. So height max, maximum height, which we're going to use this symbol here, h max, equals the area of the triangle. Well, the area of the triangle is this, and it turns out that the maximum height is this. Okay, so hang on, clear this. So this is our maximum height. So this is the maximum height here. We know the height of the cliff, so therefore we know this distance here. Okay, so basically get this plus the height of the cliff, which is this bit here. Okay, now it's just a matter of free fall. How long will it take for the cannonball to free fall from here down to ground level? Well, down to here. Okay, so you use this formula here. This should be ingrained inside your mind. So the actual height is this. Merge these two together, it becomes that, and then blah blah blah, and then the time it takes to free fall from here to here is given by this 8.1 seconds. Okay, so We know the time it takes to get to the maximum height, which is this. We know the time it takes to free fall back to this level here, so, which is this one here. So the total flight time will be these two added together. So total flight time is this plus this equals this. Okay, so this is your final answer, the total flight time. Okay.